a big competitor is here for the Z Flip 4. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing well. Motorola is going out with its next flagship foldable device, the Motorola Razr 3, but don't expect that traditional design for the upcoming Motorola Razr 3. Motorola is planning to launch Razr 3 2022 in July along with the Motorola Frontier. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 big competitor will give things that Samsung is lacking, and Lenovo-owned firms take inspiration from Samsung and change the design of the Motorola Razr 3. Some people like it and some don't. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 or Motorola Razr 3. Which one would you prefer this year? The king of leaker, Evan Blast, shared a hands-on video or GIF of upcoming Motorola Razr 3, where we see the design just like the last year Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. The fingerprint sensor is mounted in the power button instead of having on the front, and as we see in the video and even according to Evan, the crease on Motorola Razr 3 has an evidence but nothing that hits you right in the face, meaning less noticeable compared to the previous generation. Meanwhile, it is now clear that Motorola is putting Snapdragon 1 Plus processor in the upcoming Razr 3. Although we see budget series processor in Razr 2020 and people don't like it, so this time, according to the leaks, it is confirmed. Motorola Razr 3 will going to have two lenses on the back instead of just one, and according to some sources, we may see 200 megapixel main lens on the Razr 3, but for now, it is not confirmed and I don't think Motorola will put this in Razr 3, but Motorola Frontier will going to have it. But Razr 3 will going to have a best foldable phone cameras out in the market, because Razr 2020 have 48 megapixel main lens. The outer display in the Razr 3 will going to be much bigger than the Z Flip 3 and even will be bigger than the Z Flip 4. And this indication is right that Samsung can put much bigger outer display in the upcoming foldable devices. The display on Razr 3 will be punch hole OLED display with a selfie shooter on the front. The price is not released yet, but you can expect this phone to be over $1,000, and it is the only area that Z Flip 4 will beat this, since we are expecting Z Flip 4 standing at as low as $899. So let's hope both phones will be less than $1,000. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 or Motorola Razr 3. Which one would you prefer this year? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.